So the demand function is like 35 minus 2x minus x square, and quantity is given as x is equal to 3. So what will be consumer surplus? Now before going to this how to derive consumer surplus, we have to show it through diagram. So in the diagram, suppose this is quantity. In x-axis we measure quantity, in y-axis we measure price. So here the demand function is this. So demand function is this. Now consumer surplus means what the consumer is actually willing to pay and what the consumer is uh, actual pays. That the difference between the two is known as consumer surplus. Now suppose this is the price determined by the market, this is the quantity, original quantity. Now this area is the consumer surplus. Now we find consumer surplus and then put the price and quantity here. This area is consumer surplus. Now what will given in the question? Demand function is 35 minus 2x minus x square, and quantity is given as 3. Now find the price. By putting the quantity in the demand function, we can get the price. 35 minus 2 into 3, in place of x we can put 3 minus 3 square. Now 35 minus 6 minus 9, 35 minus 15, 20. We can get the price equal to 20. Quantity is 3. Now consumer surplus, how to find consumer surplus? We know that by integration we find the consumer surplus. With the help of our method of integration we find the consumer surplus. Now consumer surplus, integration of demand function, that is 35 minus 2x minus x square into dx minus price into quantity. Now we have to integrate it. How to do integration? Now 35 x minus 2x square upon 2 minus x cube upon 3. Now 2 get cancelled, 0 3 minus price into quantity is price equal to 20 into quantity 3. Now we have to rewrite it. 35x minus x square minus x cube upon 3, 0 3 minus 60. Now we have to put the value x is equal to 3. We ignore 0 here because we have to, when we put 0 all these values it get 0. So we have to put the, instead of putting 0 we put 3 only. 35 into 3 minus 3 square minus 3 cube upon 3 minus 60. Now 5 3 is 15, 1 3 is 9, 10, 105 minus 3 9 minus here 3 1 3 cancelled with 3. Now 3 square 9 minus 60. 105 minus 60, 78. Now what will be 78 27? We get consumer surplus as 27. Now putting these values, the price here 20 and quantity here 3 units. Now this total area is 27 units. 27. By calculating this area, we get consumer surplus is 27. I think I make clear here. Thank you.